Hello, in this 10-minute video, I will guide you through gentle chair exercise to help improve your flexibility, your circulation, and your muscle strength. So grab a sturdy chair, read the disclaimer, and let's start. First thing, just come a little forward on your chair, not too much. Make sure your feet can touch the ground. If not, put them on two books the same size or yoga blocks. Your ankle is directly under your knee and your legs are a little distance apart, like a little hip distance apart. Now we've got variation here. We're going to start with the lower leg with the calf and feet. So first, lift your toes up, bring them down. Again, bring them up, spread your toes and bring them down. Let's add the breath to that if you want. If not, just remember to breathe. If possible, throughout your nose. If possible, throughout your nose. Inhale, toes up. Exhale them down. Up. Exhale down. Now the variation for that, you can keep on just doing your toe, or you can lift the front of your foot while keeping your heels on the ground. You can also alternate with the toes up and then the feet up. So pick what fits for you. If you just want to move your toes, that's good enough for you right now. That's great. So let's start with the breath. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now I want you to hold your feet or your toes up a little bit longer if it's possible for you. So inhale the foot up or the toes up. Just hold. Maybe a little squeeze. As long as it doesn't hurt, it feels good. And back again. Up and back. You can bring your feet forward too for a little challenge if you want. Now I'm going to mix it up. I'm just going to do toes, front of the foot, and toe, front of the foot. And exhale all that down. We're going to do some leg rise. So it's just the other opposite. We're going to lift our heel off the ground so the toe stays down. If you just want to do one at a time, that's cool too. So whatever works for you. So inhale, heel up. Feel that right in the calf here. See how tight it is? Hold just a little bit, exhale down. Inhale up, hold. You can keep breathing here. And on the next exhale, just bring it down. If the hold is too much, just bring them straight down. You do your own yoga according to your own body and how it's feeling right now at this moment. Even if yesterday you were able to do everything and today it's different, you have to listen to your body. And exhale down. Now I'm going to step out. Step out. Come back in. See how this feels. If there's any pain or you're not sure, just keep your movement very small. This is stepping out. This is stepping out. So find your range of motion, whichever it is. As long as you don't have any pain, just go as far as it's comfortable. Are you ready? So inhale, exhale. Depending how fast you go, matching the breath may not make sense if you're gonna so just remember to breathe here when we're in motion. Another tip is lift the thigh up before you move. Don't drag it. See if it wants to lift. Lift up. So knee is up, away. Think of the movement with the knee guiding the leg. And you can go slower. Take the time it takes. If I'm doing 10 of those and you're doing 3, and we have the same effort here. We put as much effort into the same thing. And now I want to do some fist bump. And we're going to do a modified cat and cow. So scoot a little bit your bum a little bit towards the front of your chair. Feet hip distance apart. You can have them a little wider here if you need for balance. And fist bump. Keep your thumb outside your fist. Fist bump. Fist bump. If your hands are down here, that's fine too. I want you to go wherever height is comfortable for you. Fist bump. We're not like smacking our fist. We're just like, that bump is just a touch. Now think of the movement coming from the elbow and bring your elbow up just a little tad more if it's comfortable for you. Of course, we're going to add our cats and cow. So once you make your fist, just stay there and hollow your tummy. Maybe exhale. Hello, Paka. Inhale. Of course, we're doing cats and cows. You have to come. Come on. You can come to cats and cow with mommy. Yes. Hello, mon Paka. Oh, exhale. Inhale. Remember your elbows. If possible, keep them a little higher. So we're filling our tummy up with air, opening the chest, and we're exhaling. Fist bump. And fist bump. My shoulder's getting a little tired. I don't know about yours. If you want to keep going, that's great. A little shoulder roll here. Now let's clap our hands and to the side. Clap our hands in the middle, to the side. So poof, catch something, to the side. Your hands can be way down here too. Little mini twist here. Again, feel with check your body, little body scan. Make sure everything is fine, works good. Bring your hands a little higher if it's comfortable. Let's go way up. And only if that works for you. Now turn your hips other side. You can clap loud too. I just don't want the microphone to pick that up, and that's all you hear is my hands clapping. And exhale your hands down. Little shoulder roll, little wrist roll, feet. Little head roll, shake, 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 all that fun stuff we just did. Shake it gently. Those are like little movement for fun, just to loosen up your body for the day. Great job. Staying active is one of the best things you can do for your health and well-being. So even small movement makes a big difference. If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Let me know in the comment down below how you're feeling after today's session. See you in the next video. Namaste. Hello, in this 10-minute... Lift the toes, lift. Lots of coordination there. Hello, so first exercise, scoop just a little bit in the middle of your chair. Make sure that your heel are under your knees, your ankle are under your knees. Hello! In this 10-minute video, I will guide you through a wonderful, gentle yoga chair exercise now.